Hello, and welcome to this guided sleep meditation to relax your body and mind so you can fall asleep easily. And thank you for connecting with Meditative Muse. We must rest every day, especially when our body and mind feel stressed or overwhelmed. Sleep is so vital because it enables the body to restore and repair itself for the next day. Once we have refreshed and renewed our body, mind, and spirit, then we can get back to work. I will guide and help you release the day that you are now beginning to tuck away, to wind down and fall asleep. Take this time to remove any distractions by turning down the lights, lying down, and getting comfortable. You may adjust the position of your body at any time for your comfort. If your mind begins to wander, just take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, shift your focus back to my voice. And if you haven't done so already, close your eyes. Now it's time to disconnect from everything around you so you can recenter, reset, and regain your energy. So let's begin. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, allowing any tension to melt away as you gradually relax. Take another long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it, and then exhale, emptying your lungs completely. One more deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then let it out. You are beginning to feel calm and relaxed. Sink into whatever it is you're laying on by allowing the muscles in your entire body to loosen and relax, sinking in deeper after every exhale. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation starting from the top of your scalp. Feel the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eye muscles to release. Let your cheeks and jaw soften. Let go of all tension. You are free from anything that needs to be done. You have chosen to be in this present moment, preparing yourself to relax so your body and mind can recharge for tomorrow. Now let this peaceful feeling flow down into your neck. Loosening every muscle. With each breath you take, this relaxing feeling becomes deeper and deeper, working its way into the muscles in your shoulders, soothing them, releasing them. Allow this peaceful feeling to continue to flow down from your shoulders into your arms, loosening the muscles in your upper arms, down your forearms, and down to your hands. Relaxing each and every muscle, all the way down to the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, your mind relaxes, and your thoughts become lighter. Your mind is clear, weightless, and free. You are gliding further and further into a dream-like state of stillness and relaxation. Now bring your awareness to your chest and to your stomach. Feel how this area of your body gently rises and falls as you breathe. Let the peaceful and relaxing sensation flow through this area of your body, soothing every muscle and relaxing every organ. Feel that your entire upper body has become warm and relaxed. Now feel your hips relax as the peaceful, warm feeling begins to work its way down through your lower body. Relax your buttocks, the back of your thighs, the front of your thighs. Feel all these large, strong muscle groups becoming more and more relaxed each moment. Now this warm sensation is moving down through your knees, down to your calves, your ankles, and into your feet. Allow your entire body to relax completely. Let any remaining tension from anywhere in your body flow out through the tips of your toes. Your entire body is completely relaxed, warm and cozy. You have done all you need to do today. Now it's time for deep and peaceful restorative sleep so you can be strong and energized tomorrow. Good night to you and sweet dreams.